friends, and hello, fellow vintage lovers. Welcome back to another Highway 80 haul. I tell you what, it just keeps coming. Just keeps coming. So, it's going to be a little bit hard for me to talk about everything in here because some of these items are on display. Is this carriage not amazing? This metal pink carriage? I thought it would be wonderful for holding jewelry. So I've draped some jewelry on it. Some jewelry I have not shown yet. Oh my gosh. It is so cool. You could attach earrings there or brooches too. You could do whatever you want. You could just have it as a display. But yeah, it's phenomenal. Let me just go back a little bit so you can see it better. Is that not the best? Oh, it's so cool. Okay. These two items are Hollywood Regency style. There is this one little glass box. Now it does have a chip on it, so that will be reflected in the price, but I thought it was absolutely amazing. This Ormolu Hollywood Regency. Now both of these have a lot of patina, a lot. And this one is a candle holder with this glass underplate. Do you call that an underplate? I'm not sure what you would call that. But there that is. Is that not amazing too? I love it. And I love this dish. You could put jewelry in it. You could do whatever you want with it. The cool thing is, as far as the crack goes, you can't really tell. It's visible, of course, when you open it up, but on the outside, not really. Okay, then back here is this beautiful urn or vase. This is from Japan, and it has a beautiful peacock on it. Now, this is a larger piece, and it's got a beautiful black background that I love. But I love all these flowers. I love the details on that peacock. It is amazing. This is an antique serving dish. This is very Art Nouveau. It's in wonderful antique condition. It is marked Austria on the back. I'm not going to take it out, but I wanted to show it to you guys. I think it is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Oh, it's so good. This is super cool. I was really surprised when I found this. So this is, it's, you know, a handmade piece. It is hand painted. You can see the brush strokes on it, but it is this really cool harp. I want to say these are from Italy. I'm not quite sure. I think they might be, but that will be up for grabs too. Then back here is this amazing hand-painted mid-century rooster wall art. He is super cool. I love the orange and I love this design. He's an amazing rooster. Okay, then back here, I have 3 of these glasses, just so you know. I just didn't have enough room. This is Anchor Hawking. Is it Summer Rain? It's Summer Rain pattern, I do believe. But it's got these beautiful flowers. And then you have this picture. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely amazing. Now these are not avocado green, they're a brighter green. Just so you know. Wonderful, wonderful pieces. These glasses are a great size. And of course, this is amazing. Be great to have this out for Christmas. It's just a really cool picture. Then I got a sugar skull mug. You know, it's going to be hard for me to resist these when they're a good price. It's from Mexico. It has an amazing bird here on the back. It may have some glow. You know, I haven't checked it, but it looks like that would glow. Let me try something here. Yeah, he does glow. That's cool. I bet the back does too. Yeah, look at that, y'all. Lots of glow. Anyway, I love him. He is super, super cool. I know, it's almost Halloween. Can you believe it? I probably should have pulled that out before now, but I kind of forgot that I had picked it up. And this is a 1960s cup. They only had one. And I loved it. I love that lime green with this blue flower here. It's just really, really cool. And it's in great condition. I haven't tried to identify it. I don't know who makes it, but I love it. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Sorry, guys. I'm glad I caught that. Okay, I'm going to zoom in for the jewelry. Okay, this is so cool. So this was sold to me as being Larimar. It is a perfume bottle necklace. And I don't believe it's sterling, but I will definitely make sure before I sell it. I love that it's faceted. It's a really pretty piece. The lighting is not doing it justice. Let me try to focus better. There we go. Is that not cool? They only had one. I wish they'd had like 20 because I think it's going to be really popular. Then I got this scarab bracelet, and I thought I was going to get this for myself because I do have a collection of Egyptian jewelry, but I think I'm going to offer this one for sale. I think I have one similar to it. It's really cool. It's a ceramic scarab there. This one is definitely unisex. Then this bracelet is amazing. So this is a vintage rose quartz necklace, or bracelet, I'm sorry. I keep doing that. It's on a brass chain. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's a really, really cool piece. Then this is a bracelet. So this is moss agate with crystals, and it is a bracelet that actually stretches out. It should fit everyone. It is brand new. It's beautiful. The crystals really do sparkle on that. Oh my gosh. So this is an amazing piece of jadeite. This is a very expensive piece with this beautiful carving. This is a very thick chunk of it. Here is the back. This is incredible. I haven't looked up the design. I don't know exactly what it is, but this piece is amazing. It is Chinese. Oh, it's so cool. I love it. Then back here, I may end up keeping these. These are snake earrings. I mean, I just had to. They are like a gunmetal color. I like that the snakes hang down from the hoop there. These earrings are beautiful. They are abalone and turquoise. They are gold tone. Are they not beautiful, guys? Look at the fire in that abalone. Oh my goodness. Okay, then these earrings, I think I dropped one. Hang on. These beautiful rhinestone earrings match a necklace I have on the carriage. They are amazing. Let me show you the necklace that they match. It is this beautiful necklace. It is so pretty in person. I hope it's coming through as pretty as it is because it's wonderful. Trying to focus a little bit better. Is that not beautiful? Then this is a wonderful metal and enamel flower brooch. These pink, I think they're roses with the lime green. And I don't think it was marked, but look at the condition of this, guys. It's amazing. And I wonder if it glows. It might. What do y'all think? Does the green glow? Ooh, the pink glows. Oh, wow. Super, super cool. I love that. That's a beautiful piece. Okay, then back here, these were sold to me as lucite. I'm not 100% sure on that, but they are these adorable cherub earrings. I thought they were just so cute. They are pierced. They have a faux pearl up top. Aren't they cute, y'all? I love them. I'm trying to get it to focus a little better. Here we go. Oh, I just thought they were so cute. Okay, this is a lucite bracelet. It has this gold mesh on the inside. This is in wonderful vintage condition. It does glow. Hopefully it'll show. I think you can see it. It's really, really cool. I love it. I haven't checked these. I don't think any of that glows. No. Okay, let me show you what's on here. This is an amazing necklace. So you have some lucite, you have some glass, you have some brass, and some of these pieces do glow. I'm going to show that to you right now, but it is this amazing long necklace. I love it. Okay, there's some glow there. There's some glow up here. That gold tone, I don't know why that's glowing, but oh, it's just wonderful, guys. It's such a good necklace. Let me kind of show it to you a little bit better. Is this not the coolest? I love it. freaking love it. Then next to it is like the complete opposite. This is a natural stone necklace. Maybe it goes this way. I don't think it matters actually. And it is artisan made. It is actually 2-layer. You have these little stones there as well. It's not showing very well on here. Let me try to zoom in better. There we go. It's really, really pretty. Okay. Then over here are 2 amazing earrings. They do actually kind of go with that. These are incredible. I think these were made into leverbacks. I think they're very vintage, probably from the 60s. They're super cool. Let me try to zoom in on those. Are they not amazing? Oh, they're so good. Back here is a stunning amethyst necklace. It's amethyst chips, and then it has these glass pieces as well. It is beautiful. This one is really well made. Stunning. Okay, then this necklace is special as well. So this is pearl, peridot, and angel skin coral. It's so pretty. I love these beads right here. Is that not amazing, guys? It's beautiful. It's just stunning. I can't believe how fast I recorded this. I recorded this in 11 minutes. Oh my goodness. So let me know what your favorite item is. And do remember, I have sales this week. I've got 3 more. Well, I have 2 more. I'm invoicing on Thursday. I have a sale on Tuesday night at 10 Eastern, 9 Central. And then Simon Says Let's Make a Deal and I have a sale Wednesday on her channel. And that is our discount clearance sale. So that is at 6 Eastern, 5 Central. I hope you guys can make it to both. This video may not go out until Wednesday. I will be invoicing on Thursday, just so everyone knows that as well. And I hope everyone is having a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you so much for your continued support. I appreciate you guys so much. Bye.